If you want to make pot stickers, you are at the right place. Whenever I make them this way, they will be sure to disappear within a few minutes. Chinese New Year is just right around the corner, so happy Chinese New Year! Today, we're going to make super tasty pot stickers. One of the main challenges people face when making pot stickers is that the filling becomes too dry or too runny. Here are some simple tricks that we can do to change it right now. Start with some large shrimp and begin by pulling out the intestinal tract from the head side of each shrimp. Set the cleaned shrimp on a plate. In a bowl, add the scallions and ginger. Pour in the warm water and mix them until they release their juices. Remove the scallions and ginger. This infused water is an important trick to make our filling super juicy and aromatic. In a large mixing bowl, add the ground pork and salt. Combine until the pork has fully absorbed the salt. Next, add the soy sauce, dark soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, and cornstarch. The cornstarch is another important cooking trick. It helps to absorb the excess moisture. Pour in about half of the infused water and mix well. Then pour in the rest of the infused water and combine everything. See? The filling is juicy and not overly runny. And now we're gonna add the scallions. Here we have some dumpling wrappers. To make them from scratch, click on the link right here. Add about a teaspoon of the filling in the center and top it with 2 pieces of shrimp. Here we have about 1 cup of water for sealing. Dab some water around the edges where they meet and seal them. For this type of pot stickers, make sure the shrimp remain outside. Repeat with the rest. In a bowl, mix together the soy sauce, Chinkiang vinegar, and chili oil. To make the most delicious homemade chili oil, click on the link right here. In a pan over medium heat, add the oil. Place the pot stickers in the pan. Pan fry until the bottom is golden brown for about 2 minutes. To avoid splattering, cover the pan halfway and add about half cup of water in it. Then cover completely and steam over low heat until the water evaporates for about 5 minutes. Did you know dumplings are a must-eat during Chinese New Year? Symbolizes good luck and abundance. So please comment below and share with me one food that symbolizes good luck in your culture. 恭喜恭喜恭喜你呀！恭喜恭喜恭喜你！新年快乐！ Happy Chinese New Year! They are incredibly juicy and tender, and the bottom is super crispy. I just love it. I hope everyone enjoyed this recipe. If you also like to make chicken dumpling at home for Chinese New Year, check out the video right here. And happy Chinese New Year! I'll see you again soon. Subscribe, follow, and like. Bye!